My name is Paul Nyavo, and I am the site manager of Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls. Wli moved from Abyssinia, which is current-day Ethiopia. They migrated from that place down to Ile-Ife in Nigeria, and from there they came to Mote, where the Ebe community met and then being controlled by the chief or the king at that time called Agokoli. It came to a time that the people of the Ebes are not happy about the ruling of King Agokoli, so they decided to break away, and they have various strategies whereby they were able to move. So the people of Wli also moved with their allies, and they moved towards Ghana. And when they reached the Volta, the other Ebe communities also gathered there. That was where they dispersed. So from there, they came down towards Yipa. And whilst they were coming, there was a stream that they have to cross. And normally they are led by warriors, powerful warriors who are hunters. So at a point in time, to cross over the river was difficult. So the warrior commanded a palm tree to spread over the river without losing any of the citizens, and then not losing any of the bark of the tree as well. So after they have crossed successfully, he again commanded that tree to stand, and they were able to cross over successfully. So coming towards the mountain, they heard the noise like from. So those days you don't have any communication gadget. So the way that they listen to noise is to put their ears on the ground, and it will make everything clear. So it took the bravery of those warriors, the hunters, to go ahead and then find out what actually was making the noise like the from. So when they came there, lo and behold, they saw that it was a waterfall. They were very happy, and then they went back to tell their colleagues that yes, they have found water, because anytime they are moving, they'll be looking for arable land, because they are farmers mostly, and then water to survive on. So looking at the river, it flowed from top down, and it was running through a dense forest full of wild animals. So when they came and settled at their current place, it took the bravery of the warriors who were the hunters to go back to the forest and then hunt for those animals. So we have monuments where their couches are actually roasted at the place. So if you are going to the upper falls, you will get that monument up till now. Then after that, they realized that the place was good for them to stay. So this place was founded in 1869 by those hunters. So in 1962, Kwame Nkrumah also heard of this powerful waterfall and sent delegation to make a path to the place. So when the path was created, that gave chance to people to be visiting the place. But it was until 1973 that the place was commercialized. At that time, we don't have side guides or tour guides. So anybody who visits and wants to go to the fall will have to see the chiefs who pour libation, and then they have to send the tourists to the place. The name of the waterfall is Agumatsa, which we call Agumatsa. It means that the river is telling the rocks to allow it to flow. So the river is called Agumatsa, but because of the way the name has been localized, we call it Agumatsa. That is what remains up to today. So Agumatsa Waterfall derived its name from that view that the river is telling the rocks to allow it to flow down. That is it. We have the upper falls and the lower falls. With the lower falls, it takes about 40 to 45 minutes to reach that place. And the way the river meanders its way, you have to cross about 9 bridges before you get there. And it is very nice place, very spectacular, and we are encouraging a lot of people to come there. The river actually, from the top, about 1,600 feet into a plunge pool, which is permissible to swim, and very nice. We have the upper falls too. That one, it takes about 2.5 hours to reach the top, and you will enjoy nature. It is very attractive. With the upper falls, you can have a very serene atmosphere, and you have a very scenic view. When the weather is very clear, you can even see the Volta River at that place. So we have people going there just to capture a nice view of it. At that place, we have views where you can see the upper fall coming down to the lower falls. And then we also have a footprint, which is very miraculous. The print is there up to today, is on a rock. So it is believed that spiritual beings pass that route. So anybody who is going to the upper falls will have the chance of seeing that particular footprint. Now, some people came just to take a snapshot of the river, but they couldn't. They are missionaries who stayed at the Vletoji, but they couldn't. So it was interpreted that the river will not allow its soul to be taken to European countries. But after persistent prayers, you can now take a snapshot and it will appear. So at the Agumatsa River, they perform rituals every Easter. So there is no fear. People can go, ladies can go without any fear of being in their menses. So the place is a welcome environment without fear or favor. So I employ each and everyone to go there and then enjoy the scenic view, because it's very spectacular and very wonderful. It is the highest waterfall in West Africa. And so now that people are coming, the World Bank are helping us to actually realize what nature is giving us. Once again, I want to welcome all tourists to come in and